Hello, in front of me I've got Doogee S98. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Enter security and go to biometrics and password. Enter screen lock, confirm, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with none. Now let's go to swipe. Pin. Password. And in the end, let's select pattern. Now when it's done, we can go to fingerprint. And we have to simply scan our fingerprint on the sensor located right here under the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. And the last method to unlock the phone is face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.